Hola.
Hola.
Buenos dias.
We're on a walking tour in Lima.
Yeah, we're currently in the historical center of Lima. There's a nice big church behind me.
It's when was it built? In the 1500s.
But finished in the 1700s, so
Yeah,
like
'cause of,
200 years later.
earthquakes and
Yeah.
stuff.
But anyway, let me reset to that. Yeah, it's the morning. Well, it's actually almost midday. But yeah, we just started this walking tour and we're going around the historical center.
And this used to be a bank,
And now it's a shopping center.
but they didn't like break it down and rebuild it, which was cool. They kept the old historical buildings. So.
But yeah, anyway, that's it. We'll show you the sights of the historical center. There's a nice, beautiful looking old McDonald's building there.
Oh my god.
But yeah, anyway, we're gonna go in the church. I don't think we can film. We're in the main square of Lima. This is the presidential palace over here. This is Nelly. We got City Hall right here. And then we got the massive cathedral over, wait, there. But yeah. The main square is very nice. What do you reckon now?
Yeah, it's cool. I like the building.
Yeah.
But it looks really nice with the palm trees.
Yeah. Oh. Now I'm gonna go hit the ATM. Back in the hostel. Thought give you a little bit of a room tour. We're in a 6-bed aircon, which is lovely. That's the toilet. I'm on the top bunk. Got beds there, and Nellie's here. Can you see something?
Yeah.
But yeah, we went to a few places on the walking tour. The plaza was the last shot, and after that we went to a literature museum, I think. And then that was where the walking tour ended, and we played 20 cells. And then we all went out for lunch. Everyone that did the tour got churros, which were ridiculously rich. And then we took an Uber back to the hostel, and we're just organising our bus for Huacachina tomorrow. And yeah, I think I'm going to book 3 nights there, and we'll go from there. But yeah, that's the update at the moment. Just going to relax for a bit. It's been a long day.